Good morning, math masters of room 504, your virtual room 504. Let's talk about what we're going to learn today in Eureka Math. You know what I like to start out with? I like saying, what does Eureka mean in English? It is a Latin phrase that means in English, I have found it. And what have we found? We have discovered the best way to learn math, and that, ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, boys and girls of all ages, is more valuable than gold itself. And I always say gold because supposedly the California miners would say Eureka when they found a piece of gold. Now I don't know if that's true or not, but it makes for a charming story. Okie doke, let's get started with our objective. What is our objective? Well, our objective is to read and write multi-digit numbers using base 10 numerals, number names, and expanded form. Wow. Let's try to figure out what that's going to entail, because I bet some of those words are new to you, like expanded form. Well, let's start out with this. This is what we call unit form. Not uniform, but unit form. Okay, we have 3 hundredths. How would we write that in, standard form? How would we say it? How would we write it? We would say 300. I hope you got that right. Let's continue on with another number, 9 hundredths. And you know what, boys and girls, damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, you don't need to write this down. During the fluency practice, most of the time, unless we're drawing, it's just going to be you listening and learning, and me talking and teaching. 9 hundredths, how do we say that in standard form and write it in standard form? 900. That's how we do it, boys and girls. Let's keep on moving on down the line to our next set of base, our unit form, 10 hundredths. Now, nobody says 10 hundredths. I have $1,000. You don't say that, do you? What do you say and what do you write? Well, I hope after all this time you would say to yourself, or say it out loud, 1,000. And here's from our homework yesterday, comma there, 000. Remember, 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, we're going to continue on with some more numbers that are no doubt going to be a lot of fun. Okay, we're going to have, here we go. Let's do 21 hundredths. What in the world would 21 hundredths look like in standard form? Well, think about it. There's 10 hundredths, so I'm going to write 21 and add on 2 zeros to show it's 21 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, comma. All right, let's move right along, and we're going to do 33 hundredths. What does 33 hundredths equal? Well, think about it. 33, 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3 for Mr. Comma, and we're there. Continuing on, moving right along, as they say. We're going to do one more. How about, how about 30 hundredths? Well, that would equal what? 30 hundredths, 30, and the 2 zeros equals 33,000 is how we say that. All right, let's continue on. One more to go. Let's let's try this. 100 hundredths. How would we say that and write that in standard form? Well, just think about what we've been doing. 30, 30 with 2 zeros. 33, 33 with 2 zeros. 21, 21, 2 zeros. So I'm going to write 100 and add 2 zeros. What do we get? 1, 2, 3, 10,000. And just because I'm enjoying myself so much, I think I'd like to do another one. We'll do 200 hundredths, just because I like the way that sounds. 200 hundredths. Well, just think about that. Write the 200, add the 2 zeros, 1, 2, 3 for the comma, and we get 20,000. And why not just keep on moving down the line? Let's do 500 hundredths. What do we say to 500 hundredths? We would say 500 and add on the 2 zeros to show hundredths. 1, 2, 3. How do we say that? If you thought to yourself or said out loud, 50,000, you are absolutely correct. All right, let's go to, as we call base 100 units. Let's try some base 1,000 units, okay? And I think we've got kind of the hang of this, but let's go ahead and just see. I'm not going to write down the thousands part. I'm just going to say the word, the unit form, 9,000s. If I have 9,000s, what does that equal? Say it out loud. It would equal 9,000. Let's continue on. Let's say I had 10,000s. What would that equal? How would we write that in standard form? 10,000. 10,000s. We'll continue moving along. 20,000s. I'm going to write 20 and 3 zeros to show that that is indeed 20,000s. And we'll move on quickly along. 100,000s. How would you write or say 100,000s? You would just write 100 and put in the 3 zeros. Comma goes right there, of course. 1, 2, 3. And we got 100,000. Moving right along. We'll say, we got that one done. 220,000s. Well, I'm going to write 220 and 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 to show 220,000s. Dig. And how about one more? 347,000s. What would that look like? It would look like 347,000 to show 347,000. So 347,000s in unit form is written and said 347,000. Continuing on to, let's go to the 100,000s, or 10,000s. I say 9 10,000s. What would that look like? 9 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have 90, I have 9 10,000s. It's going to be 9, 90, and then the 10,000s. So 900,000s. Oh wait, excuse me. I said 9 10,000s. 9 times 10 is 90. It's going to be 90,000. Sorry about that. And let's do 10 10,000s, right? So we would go 10 and show the thousands to get 100,000s. That would be 10 10,000s. And 12 10,000s would be 100, there's the 12. And we make the 10,000 zeros, 4 zeros to show 120,000. Let's just try 100,000. I'm going to say, 200,000s. 200,000s would just be 200, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll try a little more difficult one. That was actually 200,000s. Yeah, I said that. How about 10 100,000s? If I had 10 100,000s, think about that. We would have the 10 and put in the 100,000 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What number is that? If you said to yourself 1 million, you are absolutely correct. And that concludes our fluency practice. Why don't you get up and take a stretch, grab a glass of water, use the restroom, and then come on back for our application problem.